How to block someone on Facebook. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can block someone on Facebook. So in order to block any particular Facebook account, the first thing that we'll be going to do is simply open our Facebook. Now in the Facebook we will usually start from the home tab. So what we need to do is first find that particular person whom we want to block. So it could either be in our friend list or we can simply search for them. So it is best to search for them directly using the search option right here. So you can simply search for them. So for example, let's say this is the person whom I want to block. Now in order to block this particular person, what I can do is that after I found their ID, I'm going to simply click onto these three dots present right here and then click onto this third option, that is block. So simply click onto this block option and it will ask you if you are sure if you want to block them. So in order to proceed, you need to simply click onto this block option again, and now you can see that Facebook is blocking the user and that the user has been successfully blocked. Then click onto this close option and now the user has been successfully blocked from your Facebook profile. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.